makeup is done. Who is she? Good morning everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. It's been a while since I've vlogged. I'm looking pretty rough right now. I have leftover mascara, my hair is dirty, I'm wearing glasses, I have this breakout right here. But we're gonna get this situated. I'm gonna head into the shower and then I'll sit down and chat with you all. I'm super excited to be collaborating with Public Goods for this video. Public Goods is a membership-based direct-to-consumer company that provides sustainable products at a lower cost. Their products are made with clean ingredients and don't contain harmful chemicals. In addition, many of the products are biodegradable and compostable, as well as offering refills to reuse bottles and save money. They carry products from dinnerware, personal care, household, grocery, pet, and even CBD products. The product I was most excited to use was their shampoo bar, just to cut down on packaging and to use a more natural alternative to shampoo. This is a sulfate-free shampoo, but you can still get that nice lather and it doesn't strip your hair, which I really appreciate. I got this wax pomade mostly for my brother and my boyfriend to use. My brother's used it and he says he likes the hold so far. I needed a new body wash and I've really been enjoying this one. It's very mild, non-offensive. The smell reminds me of lemongrass, which is not overwhelming at all. I also tried their facial cleanser. I really appreciate that there's a pump. The cleanser comes out as a foam, which was really surprising. It takes off regular makeup, base makeup, and sunscreen just fine, but if you're wearing more heavy duty or waterproof makeup, you might want to go in with another cleanser. Aloe vera gel is a must-have, especially for the summertime, where you're going to be out in the sun. If you get a sunburn, or even if your skin is just dry and patchy, aloe vera gel will be your savior. I like trying natural deodorants and I've really been loving this one. This one doesn't melt on me like a lot of natural deodorants do. It keeps its shape, it smells super fresh, and when you apply it, it doesn't transfer on your clothes, which is a plus. This keeps me staying fresh all day long, even if I've been sweating. Public Goods is also dedicated to giving back to their communities. They partner with Reforestation Projects, a nonprofit that has planted hundreds of millions of trees to restore our forests, support impoverished communities, and combat climate change. For every new Public Goods member, a tree is planted. In partnership with UPS and external investors, UPS is currently offsetting 100% of Public Goods' shipping. They partnered with Feeding America this past year during the pandemic to sponsor meals to those in need. They donate all their near expired or expired inventory to St. Mary's Food Bank and Community Food Bank, organizations that donate food to those in need across the US. If you would like to try out Public Goods, I have a code for 15% off plus a free membership trial. My code is Shirley15PGA, and I'll also have a link down below if you just want to click through. Excuse the noises outside. I think my neighbors are doing like car work or something. But I'm out of the shower, and while I do my skincare, I thought I would chat with you all. The reason why I haven't been doing vlogs is because my life is a mess, my mind is a mess, my space is a mess. Like a lot of people, I would rather post like highlights of my life, and honestly my life hasn't been that eventful. It's really hard not to compare yourself to other creators when they have like this seemingly perfect life and they live in a beautiful house and their video backdrops are like beautiful and flawless. I just need to stop caring, to be honest, because I live a very privileged life. Sorry, this intro is already all over the place. I just wanted to be real with you all. It's like whenever I vlog something, I'm like, wow, this isn't interesting at all. Why would anyone watch this? Like, my life is so normal. I'm not going to these crazy events or going on vacation and traveling and stuff, but I still think those memories are important to document, and I love documenting stuff. It's just sometimes you look at the numbers and they like get to you, but yeah, I just need to stop caring because this is my life and my life is imperfect, just like me. The lighting in my room sucks, so I always have to use box lights. And I don't mind box lights or artificial lighting, but I also love using natural daylight. It just looks softer and more true to reality, if that makes sense. But it's very rare to get good lighting in my house, especially in my room. Another reason why I stopped vlogging is because I haven't been looking presentable, and I prefer to be done up on camera, but that's not the reality. I don't always want to put on a full face of makeup, especially when it's super hot out. Yeah, just these trivial reasons have stopped me from posting vlogs. I have still continued to document things like my friends' birthdays, my dad's birthday, Alvin's birthday, my birthday, my graduation, but I just haven't put them into a vlog for those reasons I stated. I always forget to talk to the camera, so it ends up being like a montage of different clips, and it doesn't flow as smoothly as I would like. I just need to learn to let that go. But yeah, those things don't matter. I'm just gonna vlog. I also realized, or I didn't realize, I've always known that I act very different on camera compared to real life. Honestly, in real life, I'm kind of annoying. I still do have a soft voice. Sometimes I stumble and I stutter, but of course I refilm things and make sure that I'm saying things correctly. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. I'm not saying that I wasn't authentic before, but I do want to show a more authentic self moving forward. Yes, I don't know. Maybe no one cares or notices or realizes. I'm in the middle of like redoing my room. My room is looking pretty different from how you're used to it. I got a PC built. Alvin helped me build it, and it's white and purple, so it totally fits my aesthetic. I got a desk and everything. I'm still working on putting up the lights and rearranging stuff in my room. I just haven't gotten to that yet. Yeah, honestly, all I've been doing is playing Animal Crossing and Genshin, so tonight is gonna be a very fun night. I'm actually seeing my high school friends, aka the Wing Gals. My friend Jasmine is throwing a party. If you know, you know. We're gonna drink, catch up, and then go hit the bars. I haven't seen them since before the pandemic, so it's been a year. And I also haven't been out to the bars since before the pandemic either, so it's gonna be very interesting to see how different things are now. I'm gonna start getting ready. Actually, I should eat first before I start getting ready. So if I'm gonna be drinking, I need food in my system, or else it'll not end well. So let's go. Do y'all see how dark my kitchen is? It's because we have a sunroom over here that like blocks all the sunlight from coming in. In that room, that's pretty nice lighting, but on this side, basically no sunlight comes through, so I need to use artificial lighting, which you know isn't bad, but it's just different. I always try to make my shots as aesthetic as possible, but sometimes that doesn't always happen. You know, just a warning. Today I'm eating spring rolls. I love spring rolls. Spring rolls with fish sauce. Chef's kiss. Oh my god, I'm out of breath. Okay. I like to blow dry my hair when it's 70% dry, and right now it's about there. Since I used the head wrap earlier, it definitely cuts down the time it takes for my hair to dry, because my hair is very porous, so it holds on to the water for a very long time. My roots are basically pretty dry. It's just the ends that I need to blow dry, and if I don't blow dry my hair, it'll dry slightly wavy and kind of frizzy. And sometimes I don't mind that, but I prefer it to be straight and smooth. So I like to use the Fanola NutriCare Restructuring Serum. This really helps to smooth my ends and also to protect my hair from heat. And it smells like Jolly Ranchers. I like to really comb through my layers because my hair gets tangled very easily. And then I like to use a wide tooth comb like this to really separate all the hair strands and make sure everything is smooth. So it's not 100% dry, but I like to leave it to air dry. As long as I have enough volume at my roots, I'll leave it at that. It's super simple. There's really no technique or anything that I do, except at the end where I flip my hair over and blow dry upside down for a bit for even more volume. This is how you go from flat hair to more voluminous hair. It's gonna flatten in a few hours, but I tried. I'm finally starting to get ready. I don't know if you guys noticed my nails. This is my first time putting on press-on nails. These are from Oh My Nails. They did send these to me to review, so I'm gonna have a video up very soon. I'm still editing the video. And these are actually glow in the dark. I'll insert like a clip. So for my makeup look, I'm planning to do like a plum smoky eye. I want to wear a look with a little drama, but not too over dramatic, if you know what I mean. For my outfit, I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna wear yet. I don't even know what top I'm gonna wear. This is just a placeholder for now. If you hear the fan, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna turn it off for the microphone because I just cannot handle the heat right now. I have about like 2 hours-ish to get ready. Should be enough time. I don't usually do this, but I did want to do the tape trick for your eyeshadow, so it's really sharp. The sun is slowly setting, but we're still gonna keep going. What do we think? Do we like it? And my makeup is done. That took a little longer than I expected. I'm gonna get dressed and show you my outfit.